Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Harib bin Badir Hisham from Asasidin KUITM. This video, I want to show you a tutorial how to make a menu board. So let's get started. First things first, you need to open your Microsoft 365 app and choose blank document to start. Next, we need to change the slide layout into blank document. Simply click to Office theme and choose blank layout. So now you have your blank document. What to do now is you need to change the slide size. Simply go to Design and go to Slide Size. A new pop-up menu will appear. Change the size of the width to 11 inches and the height to 17 inches. The new orientation will show as portrait. Click OK and choose Ensure Fit. As you can see, your size of slide has already changed to the size you insert. Next, we don't want a white background to start our project. So simply click to Format Background and choose Color. You can just use the color template that have been given or create your own color or choose eyedropper if you have your own color template. For this tutorial, I'll just use the brown color that have been given. The first element you want to add to your menu board is your stall name. So I will simply go to Insert and choose Shape and choose Flowchart Shape. Drag on your screen on how big you want it to be. Then, to get it centered to the page, you need to press Align and choose Align Center. Now your shape is already at the center. Now you need to change the shape color by pressing Shape Fill, and also don't forget to change the shape outline. Repeat the same step as you change the background color of the slide. For this step, I choose More Fill Color to find a color that a little bit darker than the background. Don't forget to change the shape outline. The simplest way is to choose eyedropper and drop it at the shape color that you already choose. So the color will be the same as the shape. Now is the time for you to add the stall name. Go back to Insert and choose Shape. You need to click on text box and drag it within the shape you have already created. So that will be the place where you insert your stall name. Change the font to the font that you like and also the size. I will be using Brush Create Empty and size of 72. Now type in your stall name. I will just using Coffee Stall, but you can use any name that you wish to be. What you need to do now is to add the list of the menu that you will be served on your stall. Repeat the same way as you do at the stall title. For this font, I will be using Magneto font and size of 28. Change the line spacing of your text box so you can see the gap between each menu you will insert. What I want to do now is to put the water that you want to serve it either hot or cold. The font that I'll be using is Ford with size of 28 also. Adjust the hot and cold words to be at the empty area besides the menu 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, because you want to put the price of the menu at that space. Put few dots at the menu so that it will indicate the price of the menu to whether hot or cold. After done all those steps, you might want to add some food to your stall. So repeat the same step where you go to Insert, Shape and choose Text box. Drag on the page on how big you want it to be, and again change the font to Ford. I use Ford and the size of 28, and also the line spacing between them. For this part, I'm using center paragraph format to write all the menu lists of the dessert. Then input all your dessert that you want to sell, which is cookies, brownies, and so on. Now we are done for the first part of our menu board, which is all the main thing that you should put in the menu board. So what we want to do now is to design your menu board so it will look more nice and attractive for the customer to see it. I just want the menu board to look simple, so I just choose a circle to put in the menu board. So what I want to do is to change the circle style to make it transparent. Click on the pull down menu and scroll down and choose semi-transparent. I do this because I don't want it to be so obvious that it will disturb other elements on the menu board. Again, change the shape fill and shape outline to the color range of the background. Then resize it and put wherever you want it to be. If you can see, the shape is in front of the word and covering the word, which make it barely to see it. So I simply click send backward so the shape goes behind the word. Now, click on the shape and press Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate the shape. Try and error to place the shape so it will look nice on your menu board. Repeat the same step where you send all the shape to backward. Now you can add some picture to your menu board. The way is simply go to Google and find the picture you want. Click on the picture and right click on the picture. Then copy the image. After you copy, go back to your Microsoft app, right click on your mouse and press paste picture. Place your picture first at where you want it to be. As you can see, the picture now is in the background. We don't want the background picture, so go to picture format and press remove background and click keep changes. This process will make the background disappear and left with only the image. Now arrange back your picture. Repeat the same way to find more picture on Google. Paste it on Microsoft PowerPoint and press remove background. As you can see now, the background remover removes some part of the image. So you need to click on mark areas to keep and click where the part you want to keep the image from being removed with the background. When you're satisfied with the changes, click on keep changes again to remove the background. Then resize the image and place it beside the coffee cup. Rearrange all the picture so it will look nice at the menu board. You also can repeat the process where you bring the image forward or backward to send the picture that you want to back or to front. Then I find some more picture on the Google to put on my menu board. As you can see, it almost removed all the picture image. Then you need to manually edit it to keep the picture from being removed. Next, what I want to do is to find some picture that represent the dessert I sell. So again, I find cookies now on Google and paste it. For this part now, you can see that it not remove all part that I want. So again, I need to manually remove it by click on mark areas to remove and click on keep changes. Again, resize and place it wherever you want it to be. So now we are done with the designing of the menu board. So what I want to do now is to put my final touch to the menu board, where I put the price of each menu respectively. Now we are done with our tutorial. You can apply this concept to make your own menu board after this that you like the way it looks. Thank you. and Assalamualaikum.